Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the font style in a group name on WhatsApp. Let's walk through the steps together. Begin by opening the Note app on your Android device. This is where you'll prepare the unique name for your WhatsApp group. Next, access your Android keyboard and explore special characters and font styles that pique your interest. Choose the one that best suits your group and type it out. Once you're pleased with the group name, ensure to copy it. Now, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Tap on the plus icon located at the bottom right corner and select New Group. Add the members you desire in the group and tap the right arrow icon at the bottom right to proceed. In the name field, paste the copied characters or font styles that you've prepared. Make sure the name is displayed as you want it. Finally, tap the check icon at the bottom right to save the changes. Your WhatsApp group now features a unique font style in its name, adding a personalized touch to your group. By following these simple steps, you can easily customize your WhatsApp group name to make it stand out and reflect the essence of your group. Enjoy the process of adding a creative flair to your WhatsApp group.